And now, would you close the doors, please? Contestant number 4 from Hinsdale, Illinois, under the direction of Bonnie Fedeschi, Western Lights Chorus.
This old world be like without the Irish race? If there'd never been an Ireland, there would be no wild Irish rose, and the shamrock never would be growing where the river Shannon flows. Stone. There would be no pretty Pollies with their laughing eyes of blue so blue, and there'd be no Tipperary